Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Feroz Khan. I hope all of you are doing well. I would like to talk about the ongoing situation about our national stars being accused by some person for anything. So I would just like to request my fans and my supporters that if anyone brings you a news, be it right or wrong, so make sure first you verify it, and if the person is proven guilty or innocent, then take actions accordingly. But before that, always be polite and gentle with both the one accusing and the one accused. My prayers and my support with everyone out there who's ever accused about anything which they haven't done. All my support and prayers for the co-actors as well, for my fellow actors as well. I hope this situation settles down for you all. Thank you very much.